and welcome back everybody into the new season of the backtesting session. As you can see on screen, we are going to review the all 2022 New York sessions, of course on gold and on the 60 charts, and of course this is part 1. In the last one we did basically 2023, so from January up until May, and we're now reviewing the whole lot based on our trade setup, how we are going to trade. So remember that we are starting, usually New York session starts when in here it says 3 p.m. now up until March, and 3:20 will be 8:20 a.m. Eastern, so that's when there's the first volume spike. So let's start to see. So far we have this PSA that we would love to see broken on the downside, and then so far we are seeing this possible retest on the high side. On the upside, strong bearish momentum, and price possibly breaking down below, staying below. Yes, and we could possibly take high risk, high reward sell, even though the volume is not really big, it's not really trending as much as I would like to. Okay. So far price will go 25-30 pips and then push back. So this will be minus 15, because it wouldn't go up until 45 pips. Then we are breaking above these highs, facing the rejection of the key level. Let's see if we manage to break a retest on the upside. We might have some bullish trade ideas, otherwise I would only take sells at the retest of these lows. Okay, we're coming into 10 a.m. candle, and we're seeing strong rejection. If we had to take this high risk high reward entry, it would be a loss. Let's see now if we have further continuation down. Oh yeah, looks like there isn't much of a price action. So if we had to take these two, minus 15, okay, and that would be the first one, first day of the session. So now let's move on to the next one. 11th of January, Tuesday, coming into New York. Okay, so far what we can see is having these highs and these lows. So what we would love to see is price breaking above or below. For example, here we would have a break and retest of these lows. I don't think that would be TP. I will have to check over there if this will be a TP hit. I mean this rejection. Now we want to see if we have a rejection over here, or possible continuation sells, or if we are breaking above. So let's see. Here we are. So far we're having this rejection, and then price is staying bullish. Okay. Not much to say. So far the entry would have been at 1806.5, which would be 1802. I think it was actually reached. Yeah, 1802 was reached, so this is actually a winning trade. So it's a plus 45. Good. And that's the second day. think this is okay, part 2 of it, because it's going to start again. Okay, so this was the bullish one. We have these eyes to possibly be retested, possible continuation buys. We're coming into the 10 AM candle, so we are now breaking and staying above. If we get a full retest, we might take an entry, like here. Let's see now the price action. Yeah, this will be a loss. Let's see if we have any further. Okay, not much of a volume. Up until it's only later on that the price would actually break and stay above that level. Basically at London close. Not really any entry point at these previous highs. What we could have is retest of these lows. Yeah, but so far coming with a single loss. Yeah. Price will go up. We didn't have any retest of these lows, of these highs. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's bring back the black one. Okay, 12th of January. So into New York Open, we are facing this rejection from this key level, and for our PSA, we have these previous lows. So we will be looking for buys above or sells below. Okay, after 820, so that's possible entry, high risk, high reward, because you see that the volume is not that strong yet. So let's see if any entry will lead to. Okay, if you have any news, if you have news, there's no entry. Let's see now with the news. Let's see what was the news about. So we're talking about January 2022. January 2022. We're on Tuesday and no, we are on Wednesday, the 12th. Okay, now we have the CPI, so of course we don't enter. CPI is showing a big increase, so it should mean that the Fed should keep raising rates. So it should be bearish for gold. Let's see now. To see continuation bearish, yeah, I will see those sells. So far the price action is quite mixed. We are now going bullish. Let's see if we break and retested these highs. Yeah, no. We retested, but then we continue down. So this will be a possible loss. And then we will have a possible win over there. Let's see, I don't know if that's a win. Yeah, not really sure about that either. So if you enter over there, it will be 30-35 pips. Then price is slowing down. Let's see if then we have a correction bearish due to the bearish fundamental bias. So far, no. Okay, so a possible entry over there, 1822. Yeah, we will not reach 40 pips. Okay. Let's go with the next one, which I think is the same day, but a little bit later. 10 a.m. candle. So here is after the 10 a.m. candle opens. We can see that we have this strong PSA. And then below these lows, let's see. Above or below. Yeah, we could have this possible retest over here. Even though it's late, we might still have some volume. Yeah, looks like it's not going to. Okay, minus 15. Then the price is bouncing from these lows. Yeah, and just volume dying down. Okay, let's continue. The 13th of January. So, coming to New York, we have these lows, these highs. For example, as you can see at 8:20 a.m. Eastern, we have this candle where we could take up the first aggressive entry or below these lows. You can see that this one would be probably could be 45 pips. This retest on the dot. Let's see now if this entry is still safe. So far it looks like it. Now I will want to take further entries below these lows. Okay, so this one is for sure a win now. Okay. And let's see, we could have possible re-entries below there. Before the 10 a.m. candle. Yeah, this would be a loss so far. Okay. I think this is the same trade idea. Yeah, let's see. After 10 a.m. candle, we have this PSA on the left hand side. We have this strong PSA on the upside. Okay, price is now possibly breaking below that. And that's a plus 45 because 15 pips will not be reached over there. Plus 45, yeah, and that's it for the day. Let's continue. The 14th and last day. So far we're coming into New York open straight away. Okay, and we are having these highs and these lows. Let's see if we have a retest. I don't know if you have any news on the 14th. Retail sales. So yeah, we have retail sales. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we will have a spike up This is 37 pips. I don't think it will go to profits. Let's see if it is reaching the pit. It is 45 pips. It is creating a support over there, so let's see what is the price action. Only taking buys above there. Yeah, so probably this could be either a loss or I don't think it's a win. Let's now if we break below these lows. Yeah, not really convincing. So. Okay, coming into the 10 AM candle. Let's see now, this one will be 23.75. 27, yeah, would be around 40 pips. So that would be a loss. Let's see now with the next part of the day, which is basically the last hour. Okay, so let's see into the 10 AM, almost 10 AM candle. We have these lows. We would love to see broken on the downside. Really, these highs and some intermediate PSA. Just want to have a look at. It's lower in volume. Let's see if we break below, we might take motivation sells. Yeah, like here. So if we entered over there at this green candle, this should still be okay and safe. That will be 1822, 1823, yeah, 23.5. It's safe. So yeah, that will be a win. Okay. So yeah, that was it for the Friday. And that was it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode, and I'll see you next time.